Hi, I'm attorney George Lorenzo. I grew up in Tampa, graduated from USF, and after attending law school, I served in the U.S. Army during Operation Desert Storm. Now, I help protect the rights of people that have been injured by another person's negligence. I believe they should be held accountable, and it's your right to seek just compensation. If you've been injured in an auto accident, call 813-998-9529. The Law Offices of Lorenzo Lorenzo, our family fighting for you. Hi, I'm attorney George Lorenzo. If you've been in an accident, there are certain things I think you should expect. Being able to speak to an attorney when you call a law firm, to promptly meet with your attorney to discuss your case, and to feel comfortable when you come into the office. When you visit the law offices of Lorenzo Lorenzo, we're not in some high-rise building, and there are no one-way streets or parking garages. You'll meet with me to discuss your case. Call the law offices of Lorenzo Lorenzo today. 813-998-9529. Our family fighting for you. Hi, I'm attorney George Lorenzo. When clients come to our office, it's not in some high-rise downtown. I want you to feel comfortable to come in and talk to me about your case. If you've been in an auto accident, call Lorenzo Lorenzo, our family fighting for you.
I served in the U.S. Army during Operation Desert Storm, and I've seen the devastating effects injuries can have on individuals and their families. Driving around our streets these days has its own dangers. But when an individual or company is negligent, I think they should be held accountable. Seeking compensation doesn't make you greedy. It can help make a bad situation manageable and maybe help make our streets a little safer. If you've been in an auto accident, call the law offices of Lorenzo and Lorenzo today. Our family fighting for you. Driving around our streets can be dangerous, but when an individual or company is negligent, I think they should be held accountable. Seeking compensation doesn't make you greedy. It can help make a bad situation manageable. If you've been in an auto accident, call Lorenzo and Lorenzo today. Our family fighting for you. Hi, I'm attorney Nancy Lorenzo.
And I'm attorney George Lorenzo. We met while we were both serving in the U.S. Army during Operation Desert Storm. But there's one thing that hasn't changed. When a serious injury happens, it can be devastating.
We understand the effects on you and your family if you've been involved in an auto accident.
If a person or company is negligent and causes you to suffer injuries, we believe they should be held accountable.
Call the law offices of Lorenzo and Lorenzo.
813-998-9529.
Our family fighting for you.
Nancy and I met while serving in Operation Desert Storm.
But one thing that hasn't changed, serious injuries can be devastating.
If a person or company is negligent and causes you to suffer injuries, we believe they should be held accountable.
If you've been in an accident, call the law offices of Lorenzo and Lorenzo.